and I already learned that lesson, yeah. Don't change